Dr.Algler Algae Peeling eliminates problems such as spots, acne, pits, or pores on the surface of the skin, while suppressing the factors that cause acne or blemishes under the skin. It is made of 70% hydrolyzed sponge, 10% chlorella, 15% spirulina, and 5% collagen. Algae. Peeling is dermatologically tested. It is for professional use. One piece of Dr.Algler Algae Peeling Box has 30 sachets of algae extract and 30 sachets of organic solution. Peeling application areas: stain repair, pore tightening, acne, scarring, tone unevenness, pigmentation age spots, dry and wrinkled skin. Dr.Algler is 100% herbal. It does not thin the skin barrier and does not lower the pH of the skin. Dr.Algler nourishes, repairs, and strengthens the skin. For collaboration, distributorship, and to get these Korean masks, please contact us.